Hello everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to make a tutoring appointment. The first thing you need to do is go to academicsuccess.umbc.edu. On the home page, you can see there are links to many different academic resources. The Math and Science Tutoring Center, as well as the Computing Success Center, have drop-in hours and are located in the library. Click on their respective buttons to find out what times they are open. The Writing Center can help you with writing assignments for any class, and appointment tutoring is available for most classes offered by the university. I'm going to schedule a Writing Center appointment. Click Schedule an Appointment, and you'll be asked to log into your My UMBC account. This is the page that lets me schedule my tutoring appointment. Here I can choose a date and time, what center I would like to use, and what class I'll need help with. I'll choose Find First Available Immediately, pick the Writing Center, and choose my screenwriting class as the class I'll need help with. Now I can choose my appointment slot. As you can see, there are some online appointments and some in-person appointments. Choose whichever one you feel more comfortable with. I'll choose this appointment because it works best with my schedule. This screen prompts you to put in what you would like to work on, your pronouns, and what kind of appointment you'd like to have if you selected an online option. Once you've inputted everything, select the yellow Confirm button and your appointment will be made. You can make sure your appointment was created by going to the calendar on the home page, then to the date you selected, and your appointment should be there. An email will be sent to your UMBC email account confirming your appointment. It should look like this. For online appointments, this button will appear on the schedule page 10 minutes before your scheduled time. Click this and it will take you to your online meeting room. The box with the pencil in it under the X in the top right corner of your appointment window allows you to edit any information about your appointment. Finally, if you need to cancel your appointment, click the X button at the top right corner of the appointment box, input your reason for canceling, and the appointment will be canceled. It should not appear in the calendar area for the date the appointment was scheduled for anymore. Cancellations must be made at least 3 hours before the scheduled time, so please be mindful of that. The Academic Success Center is a free resource for all UMBC students to use, so make sure you're using it to your advantage. If you have any further questions, please email tutoring@umbc.edu. Happy learning, everyone!